Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody guys, let's take a look again on euro currency. So we have here some important detail that shed some light on the perspective. On the euro, so yesterday if you remember we talked on two possible scenarios. First is the downward continuation, second is more extended upward retracement. And now it seems that market is making the first steps in a way to the higher levels. So at least today pattern is forming that lets us to suggest that indeed we could get more extended action somewhere to the 110 area. So that is on the follow time frame chart. This candle, it hasn't closed yet, but potentially within a few hours it could become as bullish grabber, which suggests upward continuation, as reversal type of candle. Because take a look, market has created the new lows, and it could close, and maybe it will close above the previous top of this candle. In this case, it will be a reversal candle. Both have the bullish feature, and it suggests a possible upward action. Our target, if this will happen, is ABCD pattern. It's 110 area. So that's additional argument for a bulls, for a possible taking position. Yes, we already talked about it. We said you could try to buy here, with the placing stop slightly below this level in the middle of the double bottom pattern on our chart. I will show you a bit later. If you haven't taken the position yesterday, you could use this candle as well. As a potential pattern, you could stick even with this pattern for a trading market on the long side. But be sure that market will form grabber, and it will be better if it also will be the reversal candle. On the hourly chart, market mostly hints on bullish continuation. Why? Because, well, as we said, market has to drop below the neckline to prove us that indeed retracement is over and it's ready to go lower. If it will not happen, the market will hold above the former neckline. Be prepared for another leg up. So that has happened. Those of you who have taken the short position now should feel comfortable. Probably you've got some profit already, or you're stop at least at the break-even area. So that's riskless trade for you. Just you could keep an eye on what will happen. Because our next level where we will consider taking the short position will be around this 110 fib resistance. For the bulls, as I said, you could try to buy here, but be sure that market will not drop lower below the middle of the range. That's where our initial stop was. Now you could consider the pattern that is forming on the follow time frame chart. Lows of these potential butterflies will be stops slightly higher below this area. Potentially, as you can see, 1618 extension of the butterfly stands 108.85, and it could finalize the ABC bottom D pattern, which target stands approximately at the same level. So this will be something of that sort. It's a combination of the follow time frame chart, ABCD pattern, and this one. So you can see it even coincides in one point. That's scenario that we could keep an eye on. I don't know, hardly we'll get final point today, because as you know, tomorrow will be Good Friday. It's already a holiday. In Germany, it's Monday is also will be holiday, so it's long holidays ahead. So probably some progression of this setup will come on the next week. But currently, potentially, it looks in a way how we just discussed. So it means that currently we should not take any short position and mostly watch for possible upward continuation based on the patterns that we have right now.